Between my toddler, who drops food everywhere, and between my dog, who is just shedding everywhere, my floor literally never even had a chance to stay clean. And mopping on top of that, there is no way. Hi everyone, I am Valentine, an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube. So remember the viral review I've done of the eufy X10 that I've got so many attention and so many questions about? Well, I did a regular review in 2024, and then in 2025, I did an update review of using it for almost a year. So guys, you were asking for it for so long and you were asking so many questions. So today is the day. Today I'm gonna do a comparison between the eufy X10
C28 is the upgraded model of X10
and between eufy newest C28 model to help you figure it out which one is actually worth it for real. Eufy just dropped the C28 model and the positioning is clear. Best robot vacuum under $600 with a flagship level technology built in. I just had to test both of them back to back with a real masses to see if this claim actually keeps. So guys, let's get started with the comparison review of both of these flagship models. So guys, the C28 is also the very first vacuum in eufy's C series to feature the HydroJet roller mop technology. And eufy holds a Euromonitor certification as a world-leading brand of real-time self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop. That's not marketing, that is just a third-party verification. The biggest upgrade from the X10 to C28 is that exact mop system. So the X10 washes its spinning pad at the base station only, while the C28's roller cleans itself in a real time as it is mopping your floor 9 times per second. I did a one pass side by side. The C28 left the floor visibly cleaner in a single pass, while the X10 needed to return to base before the pad was clean again. The roller is also 272.5 millimeters long. That's the longest on its price segment. So it covers way more surface with every single pass. It presses down with 10 Newton of force, and a built-in scrapper continuously pushes dirty water into a separate wastewater tank, so it never recirculates back on your floor. So I tested coffee and dried stains. After mopping, I wiped the floor and the roller with a white cloth. Both stayed clean. For hair, the C28 has 2 side brushes versus the X10's just one, giving about 1.5 more times wider edge coverage. The anti-tangle system uses a reverse flip principle, so the dual rollers spin forward to pick up hair, the comb teeth guide it inward. Then, when the robot returns to the dock, the rollers reverse and separate, dropping all the hair through a center gap directly into the dust bin. I tested long hair, short hair, and pet hair. It also gave me 99% pick-up rate on carpet and almost nothing left tangled on the brush. The dust bag is also sealed, so you throw the whole thing away without ever opening it or even like touching or seeing what is inside. If you have pets, this system was genuinely built for your situation. Suction jumps from 8,000 PA on the X10 to 15,000 PA on the C28 with a 70.47% carpet dust pickup rate in independent testing. It auto-detects carpet and boosts instantly and automatically. The roller also lifts 10.8 millimeters off hard floors automatically, so dirty mop water never ever touches a surface you just vacuumed. On the navigation, the C28 uses line laser instead of RGB cameras. I want to address this directly because it is actually an advantage in some situations. The RGB performance depends on lighting conditions. In dim rooms or at night, the camera-based systems can struggle, while the laser navigation works consistently regardless of the light situation and avoids obstacles as small as 3 by 3 centimeters. And it does all of this without a camera ever recording inside of your home because safety first. The station runs hands-free for up to 75 days with auto-emptying, mop washing, hot air drying, water refilling, and separate dirty water collection. The X10, by the way, covers about 60 days, while the C28, as I just said, 75. So guys, I truly hope that you liked my review and I truly hope it was helpful for you, and now you can literally make the right and correct choice of yours. I used the eufy X10 Pro for almost a year in my house and absolutely loved it. But guys, the C28 completely stole my heart. If you would ask me, I will go for C28. So sorry X10, but C28 is a winner for me. But guys, you let me know your opinion down below in the comments. Who is your winner? Who you think got the best performance. And guys, the C28 is now super affordable. So with the Prime Day discount, which is happening right now, this is gonna be the lowest price since the launch. This is the best and great opportunity for you. So guys, be so very sure to click the link down below at the description and at the comments to check out the eufy C28, the new model. And guys, this is your opportunity because the price is never gonna be as low as it is right now. So you snooze, you lose. So I hope you're not gonna snooze because you're gonna lose. So guys, subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and let me know your opinion down below in the comments. I love you all. I'll see you all in my next videos. XOXO Valentine.